Hello students and welcome to DA Mall Public School. Let's begin an online session of Standard 9th Mathematics and I am your mathematics teacher Mrs. Vandana Ghagre. Dear students, today in the lesson Coordinate Geometry, we will see how to plot the points in the plane if its coordinates are given. So, be ready with your pencil, scale and the graph paper and notebook. In the previous session, we have learnt about Cartesian system and today we have a brief learning on the plotting of Cartesian system. So, are you ready with your pencil, scale and graph paper? So, if yes, let's start. Plotting of the points. Plot the points P, 3 pi and Q, pi minus 4 on the graph paper. Plotting the point P, 3 pi means the distance of the point from y-axis is, see here, the distance of the point from the y-axis is 3. Along positive direction of x-axis is 3 units and the distance of the point from x-axis along the positive y-axis is 5 units. So, before plotting these points, draw the two axes, one is horizontal, one is vertical. Then, write the name as 1, 2, 3, x and x dash, y and y dash, and then as p is 3, that is x coordinate is 3. So see here on the number line, that is x axis 3 and y is 5. So p3 5 you can plot here as shown in the figure. Same way you can plot the point pi minus 4, that is q point. See here, we will see in which quadrant or on which axis do the following points lie. Dear students, in the last session we have seen due to the two axes, one is horizontal and one is vertical, we got actually the four quadrants and in each quadrant the sign of the different coordinates are different. So from that sign convention, we will now understand in which quadrant or on which axis the following points lie. 3, 4. As both the coordinates here are positive, so it is in first quadrant. Minus 3, 7. Minus 3 means x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive and therefore this coordinate lies in the second quadrant. -4, 0. Oh, it's very easy to understand. 0 is the coordinate, y coordinate, and therefore naturally only x coordinate is here. So this point is on the x-axis, not in the quadrants 1, 2, 3 or 4. So remind it, when any coordinate is 0, the coordinate which is given on that axis the point lies. So here y coordinate is 0. So this point, this coordinate lies on x-axis. Now see here, both the coordinates are negative and therefore this point lies in the third quadrant. In this way you have to guess and write in which quadrant or on which axis do the following points lie. See here, we will locate some points, that is we will plot some points in the Cartesian plane. 5, 0. 5, 0 means 5 is on x-axis and as 0 is coordinate, it is not anywhere in the quadrant, so it is on the x-axis. Second point is on the y-axis because its x-coordinate is 0. Third point is in the first quadrant, it is 2, 5 means both the coordinates are positive. Fourth point is also in the first quadrant because both the points are positive. Fifth point, that is -3 and 5 as the negative coordinate, x coordinate is negative and y is positive, so it is in the second quadrant. Then y-axis is y coordinate is positive and x coordinate is negative, that is phi. I am talking about phi and -3. So that phi and -3 lies in the fourth quadrant, and before that one point is there, -3 and -5, both the negative coordinates, and it is very easy to diagnose because both the negative points, the quadrant is third quadrant, because I know you are getting confused with the second quadrant and with the fourth quadrant, because in that one is positive and one is negative. Otherwise in the first quadrant both the coordinates are positive and in the third quadrant the sign of both the coordinates are negative. So it is very easy, not in the confusion in this first and third. So be careful while plotting the points. See here, in this again we have to plot the points which are given here. The pairs of the numbers given in the table can be represented by the points. So you have to make the pairs of the number which are given in the table and then plot the points according to the sign convention. And be careful while plotting the points, like 0 and -3, 5. As x coordinate is 0, that point lies on the which axis? Yes, it lies on the y-axis, and remaining points lies in the different quadrants as per the sign conventions. Dear students, today we have learned about how to plot the points on the coordinate axis, that is on the graph paper. So use this understanding in solving this assignment. So a small assignment for you. So let's try. Thank you. Have a nice day.